Now what we are going to make is lemon honey preserve, so that we can have it anytime afterwards. And for that we have to keep in mind that these kind of things we have to remove it. And one more thing I have to tell is I already washed these lemons properly and dried them. So make sure whenever you are going to use lemons or any other veggies, just wash and dry them. So I think we are done with the lemons, and now we are going to peel this ginger as well, and we are going to slice it. Our ginger is ready. Now we are going to slice the lemons also. So please make sure, make a slice as thin as possible. So you can see, prepare all the lemons like this. Remove the seeds as much as possible. Base. And put some slices, lemon slices into it. Fill the bottles in layers like this, one layer of honey and the other layer of lemon slices, and in between put little bit of ginger. Now bottle is filled with lemon and honey and ginger, and it's completely filled. Put this in fridge for 2 days and our honey lemon water is ready. Those who are on fitness journey, they know the importance of early morning lemon, honey and water. Our honey lemon preserve is ready. We can use it right now. It's almost 2 days. It's kept like this and now it's ready and we can use it. Let me show you how we can use it. Let's open it and take a mug or a cup like this. Take a slice of lemon and a little bit of honey and lemon juice into it. Now we're gonna add hot water. It's ready, and we are gonna garnish with a little bit of mint leaf, and voila, it's ready. You can enjoy it every morning or whenever you like, and you can use it in your green tea also to enhance the taste of the green tea. Put this in fridge and you can enjoy it till it finishes off. So enjoy your tea.